Hey friend, Graham Cochran here, seven-figure business owner and fanatical user of the online business platform Kajabi. In this video series, I'm gonna walk you through over 31 days how to do everything you need to do inside of Kajabi, from launching products to sending marketing emails to creating webinars to scaling and automating your online business so you make more while working less. It's all here. Now, if you don't already have Kajabi, you're in luck. I want to get you access to a 14-day free trial using my link, grahamcochran.com/Kajabi. But not just the free trial, because you can get that anywhere. I want to give you 2 free mini courses just by signing up with my link. One you'll get the moment you join, called Ready, Set, Kajabi, which walks you through hand in hand how to launch your business with Kajabi, including some of my best ninja marketing tactics that I use on the regular. You get that the moment you sign up with my link. And then if you become a paying member of Kajabi after the trial, I'm gonna send you a free sales copy formula mini course, my 3-step sales copy formula to help you sell more products to more people effortlessly. It's all for free if you just sign up for Kajabi using my link at grahamcochran.com/Kajabi, or I'll link to it below. Now, in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to create your very first sales page, create your very first offer, and some of the best sales strategies to use all inside of Kajabi. Hope you're ready to dive in. I'm Graham Cochran, and this is 31 Days with Kajabi. Inside of Kajabi, we're gonna create our first sales page. So if you go to Kajabi, under the website, you've got pages again. What we wanna build is a sales page. We're gonna go to new page, and there's a bunch of templates again. I love the streamlined sales page template because a sales page can be really, really complex. This one does a really good job of giving you all the elements you need. A headline, a subheadline, and a video, and a call to action button. At its core, that's all you need. And then a little bit of text for people that don't wanna watch the video or can't because they're watching it while they're at work. A couple of different areas to have like features and benefits highlighted, another call to action, more text, FAQ, final call to action. I mean, it's beautiful, it's simple, but get started, give it a name, sales page example, create. For now, what I want you to focus on is a real simple sales page. You can get rid of this stuff and all the extra call to actions if it's too much for you. At the very least, you need to write a killer headline, subheader, and shoot a simple video on your phone. If that's all you do, if all you do is this part, headline, subheadline, video, call to action button, if that's all you've got, that's fine. If you're looking at your course, the headline is, what is the big win? If they went through this course, what would they be able to do, right? What would their life be like? You need to have that kind of punchy headline for the overall thing. Lose weight, get more energy, feel healthier, all while living a busy, active life, right? Or the secret to losing weight, building muscle, and gaining energy, even on a busy lifestyle. Or what if you could lose weight, build muscle, have more energy, even though you don't know how to cook, without having to cook, and even if you have a busy schedule. Like, just speak to whatever the main benefit of the course is in the headline, and then the subheadline is gonna be, take my 4-week training on X, Y, and Z and learn my whatever secrets to whatever, right? So you get a little bit more detail on the main headline. At this point, all I want you to do is take your phone and just shoot a simple video. And by simple video, I mean like 2 minutes. You just get your phone out, and the great news is you can outline this video. We're gonna use this video on social media. We're gonna use this video for your audience as well, but it's gonna be one video that goes here on the sales page. All you need to do is say, hey, you can even hold the phone. You can even hold the phone, get in front of a window, hold the phone. Graham here. Over the next 4 weeks, I wanna walk you through some of my best material on how to cook food, prepare food, eat healthy. If you're busy, don't know how to cook, have a family, and you wanna lose weight, get in shape, and have more energy. We're gonna cover A. We're gonna cover B, C, D, the 4 main things that are gonna give you these benefits. It's amazing. I can't wait for you to join us. Click the button below before enrollment ends, and I can't wait to see you inside the training. Just a real simple benefit, who it's for, what you're gonna cover, what you want them to do, hit the button below. The great thing about Kajabi is you can upload this video directly into Kajabi. They pay for Wistia, they pay for the video data bandwidth, and it looks beautiful, plays beautiful, and you can have this nice looking simple sales page. If you want to add text, if you want to add an FAQ, you certainly can, but keep it real simple at this point. The final step before we move on to promoting it is to create an offer. So if you go back to the dashboard, go into products, go into offers, create an offer, okay? And this is where you're going to be able to create the thing that actually collects payment. Give it a name, sales page offer. You don't have a product you've already created yet in this case, so you won't attach it to a product. We'll do that later. Click save. And what you'll need to do for the first time, if you haven't already, is connect your Kajabi account with a free Stripe account or a free PayPal account. Those are the tools that will actually accept credit cards and payment and deposit it into your bank account and connect with Kajabi. Set that up, and what you'll be able to do is then change the price of the offer from free, which yours isn't going to be free, to a one-time payment, or you could have multiple payments if you do a payment plan, or if you had a membership, you do a recurring subscription. But usually choose one-time payment and land on a price for your first product. I recommend $47 to $197, somewhere in that range for a simple mini course. The price really depends on what your niche is. For more hobbyist niches, which is going to be most people, $47 to $97 is probably where you're going to be. If you're selling to business owners, or you're selling things that help people make money or advance their career or business, you could probably sell your first mini course at $197 or higher. But set your price, save it here, click save, and then you will have your offer. Back inside of your sales page, you're going to want to customize your sales page and make sure that the call to action button links to that offer. So you edit the button, and what do? You could say join now, and for the action, go to a checkout page. And there's our sales page offer that I just created. Click save, and we're in business, okay? So now when you send people to this page and they click the button, you do this for all the buttons, by the way, it'll send them to the checkout page where it's gonna have the price, a little write-up of it, and then they can enter their credit card information and buy. At this point, you've done all you need to do in Kajabi to sell this thing, which leads us to step 3, which is your launch. Starting on a Monday and ending on a Friday, simply set out to just let your audience know about this amazing free live training that you're going to be doing. It's going to be live, but it'll be recorded. But the live aspect is what's really appealing, is that they understand that it's not built yet. They understand that it's going to be casual, like your YouTube lives and Facebook live. They understand that they can ask questions when they attend. And they also understand that you'll be able to record it and upload the videos later to a private area. But you're gonna go in depth. No more 10-minute videos here. We're gonna go in depth over 4 weeks with over 4 hours of training. So you basically email out your list using Kajabi email. You get on Facebook Live or YouTube Live every day that week and let people know all the different details about the course. And you let people know on social media, hey, I'm doing this thing, link to the sales page that you just created, tell them why it's gonna help them, what it's gonna help them accomplish, and that it closes on Friday. This is so important to have an open cart and a closed cart. The cart opens up for a certain amount of time, meaning they can't just buy it whenever they want. You're letting a few people enroll, and this week is the only week they can enroll. So you have about 5 days. Let them know the specific day it ends, the specific time it ends. I like to go to Friday at midnight Pacific is what I normally do. And then just promote it all week long. Share it, share it, share it. People will join and drip throughout the week, and then share it a lot on the final day, because people are procrastinators and a lot of people join in the last minute. So send a couple of emails that last day and get on social and promote it a lot the very last day. People will be able to buy, give you their credit card, give you the payment, money will go in, but what you're really doing is setting them up and letting them know once they purchase that you're gonna be scheduling out when the calls are gonna be, and you'll be reaching out to them as soon as everyone has joined. All we're going to do is get people to buy this week. That's all we wanna do. Show them that we're doing an amazing paid training and get as many people as we can. If it's 4 people, incredible. If it's 5 people, incredible. If it's 50 people, incredible. This isn't a big deal. The point is to get some paid customers and then build this out as we go. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget, if you want to jump on the free trial of Kajabi and get up to 2 amazing free bonus courses from yours truly, just go to grahamcochran.com/Kajabi and sign up today. That's it for today's video. I hope to see you tomorrow as we dive deeper into Kajabi and help take your business to the next level.